Hi everyone, welcome back to La Bella Pasta channel. Today's video, one pot meal. My favorite type of cooking, sauteed chicken thighs with sauteed veggies. I'm here cutting some chicken thighs in big pieces, and we're gonna we're gonna season with a very simple ingredients. I love one pot meal, so let me share with you the simple seasonings we're gonna use for the chicken thighs. Salt and pepper, obviously. Some garlic paste and rosemary. Love rosemary and chicken. They go over. Oh, and olive oil. Can't forget olive oil. Give this a toss. Meanwhile, I have here my pan warming up. You can make this recipe if you're not a big fan of chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast. That's fine. It smells delicious. The rosemary aroma, love it. The fry pan is already hot. We're gonna start with the chicken thighs. Chicken is ready. I'm gonna put it in a separate platter here, and we're gonna move with the veggies. Add just a little bit more of olive oil. I have here mushroom, bell pepper, and broccoli. I'm gonna start with mushroom because it takes longer to cook. Oops. We're gonna let it saute a little bit so the mushroom can release its moisture. If I add salt right now, it's gonna release too much moisture. So I'm gonna wait just until it browns a little bit, and then I come with the seasonings. Now we're gonna add the peppers and broccoli. Come with some salt, a little bit more black pepper. Basically the same ingredients that I used to season the chicken. If you like spicy food, you can go ahead with some red pepper flakes. Amazing. We are almost done here. Very colorful dish. We have everything we need. Good carbs, good protein from the chicken. By the way, guys, if you make this recipe, let us know. Make a comment. Subscribe to our channel. hit the notification button so you know when we post something new. The final touch to this dish, a little bit of lemon juice right on top. Not much, just a little. Now we're gonna taste it. And here you have it. Very simple, quick and easy meal. I hope you enjoyed. Make this recipe. Don't forget to let us know if you make it, okay? And I hope to see you next time. Bye!